Big news, the inside scoop on One Nation, One Poll JPC panel. Priyanka may be the Congress's nominee in the panel. Manish Tiwari, Dharmendra Yadav likely to join in the JPC, the Joint Parliamentary Committee that will be probing, in a way, decoding the actual details of the One Nation, One Poll, on how it's going to be implemented. Is it possible? Does India need this? Can India have this set up under this existing provisions of the Constitution? The Joint Parliamentary Committee will, of course, deliberate and decide on One Nation, One Election. And from the opposition's end, we hear information coming in that Priyanka Gandhi may likely be one of the Congress nominees in the panel. We also have Manish Tiwari and Dharmendra Yadav, who are likely to be part of the Joint Parliamentary Committee that will be assessing the One Nation, One Election bill. Very interesting development. Priyanka Gandhi, who's a first-time MP, she's run from Wayanad, the bypolls. She's just made her way into the parliament, and as a debutant in the Lok Sabha, Priyanka Gandhi, we hear, is going to be nominated from the Congress's side to be part of the JPC panel. It's going to be huge deliberation, a historic, a landmark historic decision, if at all it's passed. We'll see simultaneous elections in India, both state and the centre will go into elections at the same time. So very interesting developments with a joint parliamentary committee that's now being set up, as we hear buzz that Priyanka Gandhi may likely be part of the JPC committee, the Joint Parliamentary Committee. In fact, it will have nearly 31 members, a joint committee to have 31 members, likely from the Congress's side. There will be Manish Tiwari, Dharmendra Yadav and Priyanka Gandhi. One Nation, One Poll that's tabled in the Lok Sabha amidst this massive uproar from the opposition.